Imagine this. You're sitting behind the wheel of a car that feels like it was born to turn heads. The engine growls to life, a deep, throaty roar that sends vibrations through your entire body. You press the accelerator, and in an instant, you're pinned to your seat as the world blurs around you. This isn't just a car, this is the Pontiac Firebird, a machine that redefines what a muscle car can be. If cars had a personality, the Firebird would be the rebellious, fearless icon, the one that thrives on speed, style, and attitude. It's not just a car, it's a statement that says you don't just drive, you dominate the road. The Pontiac Firebird isn't just a muscle car, it's a legend. Since its debut in 1967, it has been a symbol of American automotive excellence, blending raw power, bold design, and a spirit of rebellion. It's the car of choice for those who refuse to conform, those who want the thrill of a high-performance machine without sacrificing the heritage and soul of classic American muscle. But what makes the Firebird so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of speed, design, and innovation. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about muscle cars in general. Myth number 1. Muscle cars are all about straight-line speed, not handling. Wrong. The Firebird is proof that muscle cars can be just as precise as they are powerful. With its advanced suspension, aerodynamic design, and track-ready features, it's a car that excels on both the drag strip and the racetrack. Myth number 2. Muscle cars are outdated and lack modern technology. Think again. The Firebird, especially in its later generations, was packed with cutting-edge features, from fuel injection to advanced suspension systems. It's a car that combines classic muscle car DNA with modern innovation. And myth number 3. Muscle cars are impractical and uncomfortable. Not the Firebird. With its refined interior, advanced infotainment options in later models, and surprisingly comfortable ride, it's a car you can actually live with every day. It's not just a muscle car, it's a modern performance machine. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Firebird even more. Did you know that the Firebird was originally introduced as a sibling to the Chevrolet Camaro, but with its own unique personality and design? That's right, while the Camaro was more mainstream, the Firebird was the wilder, more rebellious sibling. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Firebird Trans Am, one of the most iconic versions of the car, was named after the Trans-American Racing Series, a nod to its performance heritage. It's not just a car, it's a piece of racing history. But the Firebird isn't just about raw power, it's also about style. The car's design is instantly recognizable, with its long hood, short deck, and aggressive stance. The screaming chicken hood decal on the Trans Am models became an iconic symbol of the 1970s, representing power, freedom, and a touch of rebellion. The pop-up headlights in certain models added a futuristic touch, while the scoops, spoilers, and flares weren't just for show, they were there to enhance performance. It's not just a car, it's a work of art. Think about the last time you saw a car that made your heart race. The Firebird is here to bring that feeling to life. With its bold styling, muscular lines, and iconic design, it's a car that demands attention wherever it goes. Whether you're at a car show, cruising down the highway, or pulling up to a stoplight, the Firebird is guaranteed to turn heads. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Firebird isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is unforgettable. The Firebird was offered with a range of engine options over the years, from the base inline-6 to the legendary 455 cubic inch V8 in the Trans Am. The top-tier engines delivered jaw-dropping power, with the Super Duty 455 producing 310 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque in its final iteration. It's not just fast, it's blisteringly fast. And with its 4-speed manual transmission or 3-speed automatic, the Firebird offers a driving experience that's as engaging as it is powerful. But what really sets the Firebird apart is its legacy. For over 3 decades, it was a symbol of American muscle, a car that represented the best of Pontiac's engineering and design. It's a vehicle that proves you don't have to choose between power and style, between heritage and innovation. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of what's possible when you refuse to compromise. So, what does the Pontiac Firebird mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to settle. You can have speed and style, power and precision, heritage and innovation. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and daring as you are. It's a car that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're tearing up the track, cruising down the highway, or turning heads at a car show, the Firebird is a car that makes every moment unforgettable. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of performance, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Pontiac Firebird isn't just a car, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: speed, style, and soul. It's a car that doesn't just push limits, it shatters them. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the Firebird? Because this isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.